Started with a dream and a late night screen. No shortcuts taken, built everything clean. Pages full of lessons, every chapter got fire. Turned pressure into purpose, now the goals rise higher. Money talks loud, but wisdom talks louder. Built from the ground, now the mindset prouder. Charts on the screen, future in my sight. Learning every loss just to win this fight. No silver spoon, only hustle and vision. Discipline sharp with a long-term mission. Every small step became part of the climb. Now the knowledge pays back every single time.
From zero to growth, from doubt to power. Every page can change your next hour.
Money matters, this is more than a book. It's a roadmap hidden in every look. Turn fear into focus, dreams into gains. Build your future strong, break free from chains. Money matters, level up your mind. Real wealth starts with the way you grind. Every lesson hits, every page inspires. Built for the people with unstoppable fire. Late night studying while the world asleep. Learning how to build and learning how to keep. Patience over hype, strategy over luck. Real success happens when you never give up. Mindset